Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the unboxing of the wireless mobile cooler from the Forza. As you can see, Vero Forza company. So they do sell this kind of mobile cooling stuff. So I thought of ordering which is a wireless one. So previously I do have plenty of other wired one. So previously, if you try to look at the two other mobile coolers which I do have, Spinboard and Realme cooling clip as well, and even there is another Realme cooling clip from the first generation. So I do have the plenty of other wide mobile coolers, but this one is going to be slightly special, which is a wireless mobile cooler. As you can see, friends, just a couple of days back I did order this device, and I'll try to explain you how is the usage of this one mobile cooler and what is the weight, and is this kind of effective or not when compared with the wide ones. That's the main reason why I thought of testing this product at this moment. And let's get started, friends, without wasting any time. And in case if you want to buy this product, make sure to use my links in description or maybe in the comments to buy this products. Let me do the unboxing. And this is my first time ordering this kind of wireless mobile cooler. This is a complete wireless. And here we go. This is the package which we got here. And you can see the price details, so which says 1,125 rupees and address of the location and customer care email ID as well, everything. So box includes the Type-C USB charger, user manual and the warranty card as well. So these are the box looks, as you can clearly see, friends, everything. And let me to open the box and let's see what's happening here. Let's do the unboxing. So package is pretty good. So I did like this kind of package. That's pretty good and not bad. So this is a portable mobile cooler, and this is kind of fan. This is a fan will be there. So previously we did see this kind of cooling, different kind of cooling technology, as you can clearly see, friends. So this is a fan type of cooling technology which it uses. So let's see how much effective it's going to be there in other smartphones. That's what I'm going to compare using this one versus other smartphones. Is that effective or not? Right now I did try to press the button and it was able to turn on, and I think there's a RGB lighting effect as well. And there's a speed mode. It's not bad. There are three different speed modes at this moment. So first time if you try to press, it will run in normal mode, a little bit slow. Second time, little bit kind of speed. And this is the final stage. So this is just a portable mobile cooling fan. So that's something you should definitely understand. So inside there will be definitely, I think, one USB port will be there somewhere around here. And inside this there's nothing, and here we go. Yes, there's small USB data cable, and this is a warranty card, I guess. 3 months of extended warranty when you free join this one, and 3 months warranty we do have here. So that's it, friends. This is a quick unboxing and expression. Let me do the setup and let's see what is the weight of this particular product, how much it weighs exactly. So this complete setup, so it should not be much, maybe 20 grams I guess, but I think 50 grams. As you can see, friends, 51 grams the total product weight is exactly. So for comparison, the weight of this Realme is about 79 grams, and Spinboard small cooling fan is about 51 grams. So if you ask me, this kind of mobile coolers will be having slightly kind of more cooling type of technology, but instead of fan one. But I'll try to test this one, friends. Don't worry about that. And thank you for watching. And let's see how this phone gonna perform against plenty of other smartphones. And let me do keep on the back side of one of the device. And you can clearly see, friends, it's not touching to the complete surface. It's not touching. There's a gap as well in the between the phone and everything. There's a gap exactly. So I'll try to use this for next couple of days, and I'll try to do the complete review as well on this one. So make sure to follow my channel, friend, for more information. And meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and bye.